Do you like shopping?
Yes, I love it.
Where do you usually shop?
At the supermarket.
Do you buy things online?
Sometimes.
What do you buy most often?
Clothes.
Do you compare prices before buying?
Yes, always.
Have you ever bought something expensive?
Yes, a laptop.
Do you use a shopping list?
Yes, it helps me remember.
Do you like window shopping?
Yes, it's fun.
What's your favorite store?
The bookstore.
Do you shop alone or with friends?
With friends.
Do you use cash or card?
Mostly card.
Have you ever returned an item?
Yes, once.
Do you buy gifts for your family?
Yes, on birthdays.
Do you bargain when you shop?
Sometimes.
How often do you go shopping?
Once a week.
Do you like sales and discounts?
Yes, very much.
Do you prefer local markets or supermarkets?
I prefer supermarkets.
Do you shop for groceries?
Yes, every weekend.
Do you follow shopping trends?
Not really.
Have you ever shopped abroad?
No, never.